How to add HTML to Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can add HTML to Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, select the sites that you want to add the HTML to. Once you selected it, you will be brought to the site home page where you can do whatever you want with the site. Okay, so there are two ways you can add HTML to Squarespace. The first way is that once you're on this page, by the left side of the screen, you see a menu. Select website. So once you selected website, it will take you to the website page. Now, by the left side of the screen, you see a menu. Scroll down until you see website tools. Just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see custom CSS, code injection. Click on code injection. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see that your page would be it will be taken to the code injection page. Now on this page, you select where you want the HTML to be located. Is it in the header? Is it in the footer? For me, I want it to be in the footer, so I will just come here. Then once you must have copied the HTML, right? Then just left click and then paste the HTML. Once you paste it, your website will be updated and the HTML will be added. And then another way, second way, is by going to the site directly and then clicking on the edit icon located by the top left corner of the site. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to another page, to the editors page. Now on this page, all you need to do is to place your cursor on the session. Once you place your cursor, you see the add block by the top left corner of the screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. Now you can just come over here and select code. When you select code, you can see that a box will be displayed. Then in the box, just click on edit here and display. Just left click and then paste your code, and the HTML will be added. As you can see, HTML is the title here. Okay, and HTML will be added to the code directly. All right, I'm sure this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.